I'm going to be unboxing my Speedcube order. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Speedcube order. So I ordered this online. It's a Gan356. Alright, so it is from Shanghai. Yeah, alright, let's open it. So the problem is, how do I open it? So let's just rip it like that. Let's rip it. There it is, guys. It's a Gan356. It's not really a perfect package though. It's kind of wrinkled, but yeah, there it is. Let's do this. See, there it is. Whew. That's what's inside. So this is what's inside. Again, the inside. There it is. It's my cube. So, my god, it looks so good. Plus, this is magnetic also. Right there it is. It's actually it actually fits, but unlike my other cube, this is my old cube. It's actually the same size though. So right here's how you solve it. Alright. There's alright. Here it is. Let's open it. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this. There it is, guys. So excited. Alright, so I don't know if this is magnetic though. It's actually very smooth. Look at that. Oh my god, it's like so smooth. I don't know if it's magnetic. I think it's not. It's not a magnetic, but it's so smooth. Alright, there it is. Alright, I bought this for around 700 pesos. Oh my god, this is so fast. Unlike that. Actually, this is actually much silent though. Look at that. And it's very hot. Hold on. And like this, and it's very light though. It's very light. Alright. Thank you guys for watching my Gan356 unboxing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to leave a like. Can't wait. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, this is a Gan356 RS. It's not the best cube ever, but yeah. And I bought it with my own money. I had to struggle like 2 weeks for this. Actually, every day, I do the chores on the house because we don't have helpers. So I do the dishes, I do the trash, I do some laundry. And then I get paid 250 per week. So I struggled 3 weeks for this. I used it for my own. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. So if I have enough money, I can buy the best cube, the magnetic one. I don't know. This is actually not magnetic. Well, the shopper says it's magnetic, but I don't know. But it looks so good.